Hello friends, welcome back on my channel of job search. In this video I will guide you that how you can create your account or how you can search your job on Indeed.com. In addition, I will also guide for the recruiter people or HR how they can post your jobs on Indeed.com. Before we go, I will request you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it or click on the bell icon. So here we go to the Indeed.com. So let me show you. So it is the Indeed.com screen. So firstly, let me show you that for the recruiter people how they can post their jobs. So here is the section employers or post a job. So I click on that, and here is the request form of post a job is created, and you can see the company name for the job, a job title or location. So they can mention that like software engineer or in Pakistan or in Germany, they can mention that. Or after the click on the continue button, so after the responsibilities or skills section will appear, so recruiter will mention the responsibility or skills. So after that it can submit it or request form will be created. So it helpful for the all of the people that they can see and search the jobs. So let's move towards the people how they can search a job on Indeed.com. So let's move towards that. So here you can see that the job title or where section is appear. So if I say I can find the job of software engineer, I write it software engineer. So here I write it Pakistan. I want to find a job in Pakistan. So I click it. So you can see there are a lot of jobs will appear, list of jobs will appear here. So here I can find the company name. Epiconder is the company name in Karachi. So I click on that. So next window will appear. So the best part is that they mention each and everything about the company, like why join us, or also reviews. The best part is they also mention the salary distribution, that uh, for which field how much salary they are giving. Like for their .NET developer they are giving 34,000 or more, depend upon their experience or skills. You can you can see the company culture as well in that. So it helpful for the interview purpose, because most of the recruiter ask that what our projects or what our company do. So you can just mention that after reviewing and read the company website. So let's move toward that how you can apply there. So you just click on that, like any job you can find it or anywhere. So you can just click on the apply now button. So here you can see name, email or phone number will appear. So you can choose a file. You can, if you have any professional resume, so you can upload it and submit it. So that's the easy part. So if you haven't any resume, so you can just click on the create one now and click on that, and you can create your profile, professional profile on Indeed.com. You can mention your experience, responsibilities, like skills. So you can mention that. You can see my profile, I have created it on that, and it will be easy for the job purpose, and you can apply with more jobs. So I hope this video will helpful for you for finding or searching the job, and hope to see you in next video. That's it from my side. Thank you so much.